Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we will learn new formula EOMonth. E of month, end of month formula in Excel. How to use EOMonth formula in Excel? I will show you in an example. Let's suppose it's my task 1 and its start date is 1st April 23 and it's complete this task would be complete on 15th April. And how can I know the end of month date of 15th April? I just use formula here. I delete the data. I use formula equal to EOMonth bracket open, select this date, comma 0, press enter. Now you see 15th April, the end of month date is 30th April. Let's suppose the another task start on 4th April 23 and it's complete 4th May 23 and it's complete on 22 May 23. We use formula equal to EOMonth bracket open this date comma 0, press enter. Now you see my last date is 31st May and again this same task start on 4th of next month. We use EOMonth bracket open this comma 0 bracket close. We want the next task will again start on next 4th of each month. We use plus 4, get this May and 4th June. We just copy and paste the data and here it's complete on 8th June 23 and month's end date is equal to we don't need to write again, we just select the data, select the date range and press Ctrl D. Here you see June date end on 30th June and next date of start of new task 4th July. It's automatically come. Its end on this task is complete on 16th July 23. Here you see 31st July, the month end date. 4th August, yes, the next task start on again 4th of next month. 4th August comes automatically and we just need to write only the completion date 22 August 23. Here you see 31st August 23 comes automatically. By using EOMonth formula we can get easily date of end of month by using EOMonth formula. Hopefully you like this video, and if you have any comments, any queries, you may freely discuss and like and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.